Hi, and welcome back. In this second video about the measure pips on click, I want to show you another version where the objects can stay on chart. So here I click on false for auto remove because I want the arrows, the lines I draw and the calculations I have, I want them to stay on chart. I click OK and I want to see here how big is this retracement, because at this moment we could have thought this is still a retracement. We have 150 pips here. Okay, and then when we reach at this level, we can use this information, 150 pips. We can say it will grow for another 150 pips. Now I want to see how long did it take to grow 150 pips. A little bit more. It's not here, but maybe around here. You see now the arrows stay on chart. Okay, here it's 200 pips, but already my chart is too heavy. You cannot understand anything anymore. You do not see the pips, you do not see the bars anymore. You don't understand anything. Even if I delete the indicator, okay, with deletion of the indicator, everything disappears again. Otherwise, we needed to open the objects. Okay, let me see. Okay, if we go, for example, you are an intraday trader and you want to use this tool. 1 second, I will choose here 3. Okay, we notice we had here a retracement. I want to see how big this retracement was. It was around 60 pips. So when the price reaches this level again, this upper level, I can assume that if it doesn't break up here, it will again retrace 60 pips. So if I enter somewhere around here until here, it's 70 pips. So I would have taken my 60 pips. Of course, if you want to go on the safe side, you take profit 50 pips. If we look at another example, okay, if you are a very conservative trader, you look here. You have this retracement of around 50 pips and you want to say, my target would be 50 pips because I know the price comes back. What happens? Yes, you take your profit around here 7 bars later. And so on. There are many, many ways to use this tool. I use it a lot actually. For example, here in this flat period, you want to see how many pips the market moved. It moved very, very little, around 40 pips. So you say when the price breaks out of this 40 pips, it will choose a direction. But here we have first a fake direction, you see. Then we have to look at this line again, and from here to calculate the upward movement. And we could also say I had this retracement of 80 pips, and I want to say when the price is around here, I will put take profit 80 pips. What would happen? From here to here, it's 67. So I would need to wait a little bit more. Here it's 100. Anyway, it helps us give a clue of how fast the market is moving and how we could put our take profit. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.